Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about restricting the app background data usage on your Android smartphone for any particular apps. So in today's example, we're going to be using the Gmail app. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Settings gear button, and then select the Apps tile. And now select where it says See All Apps. And then we're going to locate the apps in question. So I'm going to open up the Gmail app for today's example, and then go underneath mobile data usage. And where it says unrestricted mobile data usage, make sure that's toggled to the left. You do not want to allow unrestricted data usage. And that's underneath one setting. If you go back, there may also be another odd item in here that says app battery usage. Go ahead and select that. And you may want to toggle this off as well, so background usage for real-time updates and so forth. So not only is it affecting battery, but it may also have web implications too. So I'd recommend toggling that one off as well. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.